Okay.
Mac and Tab. Tab is a cat. Tab has a pal. The pal is Mac. The Mac has a cap. Mac is a rack. Mac has a cap. Cap, see, there's a cap. Tab has a nap on
T-A-T.
the mat. Mac has a nap on Tab. That's a silly little mouse.
It is.
The ham is in the pan. That's not right.
Finish up.
Where am I at?
Right there. On your finger.
That one? Let me start. The ham is in the pan. The ham is for
Sound it out.
at Tab. The Tab is has a
Look at the letter.
in at
Good.
At.
Nap.
Tab has had
Right.
had a nap.
Tab has a nap.
Mac has
Yes.
the ham. Uh-oh. I'm going to have to go move the sprinkler again, huh?
And then when you finish your reading.
That's good.
Okay, keep it up. Somebody's mad.
Tab is mad. Uh-oh. Ooh, I don't have that thing. I don't remember.
Sound it out.
Tab is mad at Mac.
Right.
Uh-oh. Mac, ham,
Look at the letters.
Mac
Had.
had the ham. Uh-oh. Now I go through the last page. That's what you do sometimes, right? Tab.
No. T-H-E. T-H-E spells.
The cap is on the Matt. Ooh. Now he looks like Mac. The cap is on tab.
Very good,
That's
Holly.
better. Mac has
Right. Mac had
ham.
the. Start over. Start that sentence over.
Mac had the ham. Mac tab. I keep forgetting that name.
It's all right. You're
Tab.
getting it.
Has
Right.
the cap. So hard. Oh, last page. Mac has
And
tab
are.
pals.
Yay! Good job!
Good job.
Yay! Wasn't that good, Daddy?
I'm so proud of you.
Be
Do
fine.
something else.
That is the first
Can I
day.
get a treat?
A treat? Yes, come here. Let me give you a kiss.
Uh-uh.
What
I
kind
want
of
to see
treat?
the video.
Okay.